In this video, I will show you how to create a passkey for your Amazon shopping app. Let me show you how. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, go ahead and open up your Amazon shopping app. Then go ahead and click on this icon right here. Then go ahead and click on account. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on login and security. Then go ahead and enter your security code, submit code to log into the account. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here. And then what you want to do right here is to simply click on setup right here. I'm going to click on setup right here. So here we go. Passkey are easier and safe way to sign in than password. It works with the same face, fingerprint, or PIN you can already use to unlock your device. We do not store your face, fingerprint, or PIN data. What you want to do is to go ahead and click on setup right here. Then go ahead and simply click on continue right here. Enable your fingerprint or face ID. Boom, your passkey has been successfully created with your Amazon account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.